Alright, so let's look at how we can prevent an attack like earlier using encoding. Here we still have the same setup. Whenever I send something in, it'll add something to the list. But now we've changed a little bit in the back end here. Instead of just taking in the message name from the initial post request whenever we hit that button and send something in, now we're actually going to do something to escape special characters using the HTML package in Python. So now, if I add something like this, it's the same thing. We have an alert and we have the script tags here, and we send it in. It's going to be sent in the exact same way. But now, whenever we reload, it actually shows up here, and it doesn't run it as code. And the reason why is whenever we use encoding, it'll do things like this, because in HTML, these things will still show up as these characters on the page, but this prevents it from being ran as code. So now we can't use any of those special tags, all of those things that we would have filtered out. We can just encode instead, so that those things will still show up, but they won't actually be harmful to anybody who loads the page.